Look it, I made the twin skunk weasel balls. They're twins. They do make twin weasel balls, but not skunk ones. They make colored ones, brown ones, and white ones. Look at them go. Now they can't because the ball got closer to the other tail. Cover sliding off. This is the baby and the dad together. Oh no! It's still not doing it. The batteries are getting dead though too. It's out here already. What the heck? The baby, it's the baby one. A Pokeball one. The dad one's gonna work again. The dad one kind of. Oops. See the rubber band's lost though. Pokeball. We've got one of each, a Pokeball, a twin, and a single. And the single's the mom. See? Look at the eyes. I thought it was a boy at first, but then when I got these two, I found out it was a girl. And this is a baby. Look at how small it is. It's smaller compared to the others. See? Baby. This one's also the fastest. This one's dead. I think I'll put it back on. You don't go away. Whoa, that is dead. This needs a new battery. Look at how dark the lights are. That's completely dead, the lights. Nah, I just want to keep it on here. But, oh jeez. I'd have to put them on this one, because this one's a lot faster. And this one would have to be the Pokeball. Look at the cute